Hey, data lovers, what if I told you Google just dropped a mind-blowing AI tool for data analysis and visualization, and it's totally free? Whether you're a student or a pro, this tool will make your life so much easier. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Watch till the end to see the magic in action. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. Let's examine this dataset of 6th grade students who have taken mathematics and science tests with scores out of 75. We'll analyze this data to gain insights that can improve our teaching and learning process. While this example uses student data, you can apply similar analysis to any dataset you have, sales data, office metrics, or otherwise. As researchers, we'll perform a descriptive analysis of this dataset containing 30 students. We'll calculate mean, mode, median, and standard deviations to make informed decisions. We'll also explore the association between mathematics and science scores to determine if there's a positive correlation. Finally, we'll use AI to create tables and graphs to help interpret the data and make informed decisions for implementing school-based science and mathematics reforms. Let's open the AI tool by navigating to colab.research.google.com in our browser. This is Google Colab's official page. Let's create a new notebook in Drive. Once the interface appears, we'll be able to analyze our files using Google's latest AI, Gemini. Click on Analyze Files with Google's Gemini. This will open an interface where you can import data by clicking Upload. Here's our student data that I showed at the beginning of the video. After uploading the data, we'll input our prompt requesting a descriptive analysis, followed by examining the association between science and mathematics scores. We'll also ask the AI to generate tables and graphs to interpret the data for improving science and mathematics instruction. Once you've entered your prompt, just hit Enter, and the AI will begin processing. The best part is that it's completely free. You can analyze as much data as you need. You can see the AI has begun thinking through the process. First, it outlines a plan, loading the data, followed by data exploration, descriptive statistics, analyzing differences between science and mathematics scores across relevant groups, and finally, data visualization. If you're happy with this plan, click Execute Plan, and the AI will begin the process. Once you see the next interface, click Continue. The AI will execute each step of our plan, from loading and exploring the data to analysis and visualization. While we wait, we can rename our file to Student Scores Math and Science. Now let's examine the results. The data has been loaded, explored, cleaned, and analyzed. We can see that out of 30 students, there were equal numbers of girls and boys participating. The AI has calculated the mean and standard deviation for both mathematics and science scores. The correlation coefficient between math scores and science scores is 0.98. indicating a very strong positive relationship. For data visualization, the AI has constructed various graphs with a single click. Scatter plots of science versus mathematics scores, box plots, and distributions of scores by gender. These graphs clearly show that boys performed better than girls in both math and science. The summary findings show an overall mean mathematics score of 44.3 with a median of 45 and standard deviation of 10.66. The overall mean science score is 53.13 with a median of 55 and standard deviation of 10.05. Boys have a higher mean math score, 46, compared to girls, 42, and boys also have higher mean science scores. The AI provides further insights. The strong positive correlation suggests that interventions aimed at improving one subject might positively impact the other. It also recommends further investigation into the reasons for gender differences to inform targeted support programs. Today we showed how to extract key insights through powerful data visualization using Google Colab, a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook requiring only a Google account. No installations needed. Analyze any dataset with the techniques demonstrated. What dataset will you explore first? Comment below and subscribe for more data analysis tutorials. See you next time.